and it goes up to 300 kilometers, and I think the regular ones only go to 260.
That's sick. Funny story. I'm driving up the street the other day and I see an Evo 8 drive past. Only thing, the driver was not there and the passenger was controlling the car. I quickly realized it was a JDM car. I realized I gotta go find this guy, and I followed him. So watch this little clip of me chasing this dude up the street. So I don't know if this is creepy or not, but I just saw this Evo 8 pass and I noticed it was right-hand drive from British Columbia. So I'm gonna follow this dude. So I got up next to him. I saw his Instagram profile. That is so smart. If you guys have cool cars and you're hooking them up and doing all sorts of fancy stuff to them, put your damn Instagram on the side of the car. So if somebody wants to flag you down or find you, like to do a collaboration or photo shoot or hook you up with parts like I'm gonna do, then it makes it easy. What up, dude?
What's going on?
Let's check out this car. Nice to meet you, brother. Chris.
Dillon.
That right there is the smartest damn thing. If you want to get hooked up with your car and you're doing cool stuff with it, find a way to make it easy for people to get a hold of you. Tell me all about it, man.
It's an Evo 7. It's from Japan. I imported it myself. It was originally black, painted blue in the summer.
I saw on Instagram when you just put on the carbon
lip.
lip.
Yeah, I put on the carbon lip because I went to go pick up a friend from the LAX.
Right.
And I had a curb.
Ooh,
so it just toasted
that'll
my lip.
do it.
So I was like, all right, well, I guess I'm going carbon now. You'll see the accents, the black under here, because I only got the outside of the car painted. So like no one really knows up until I like pop the hood or something, or like you can kind of see it in day, but yeah,
right.
No.
I need to just own this car. This is gonna be like project, just do everything I can to this car. That's the idea. It's local, it's here, so I'm excited.
High is tarmac, mid is gravel, and low is for snow
Man,
mode.
that's so sad that they didn't get that in the US.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, so every shop that I go to, if someone is either like racing or dragging a car or something like that, they're all like, dude, how much? I'll buy it off you right now. That's because funny. The difference is this goes up to 10,000 RPM.
Right.
So for drag cars, they obviously need that. Damn. And it goes up to 300 kilometers. And I think the regular ones only go to 260.
That's sick.
3 days later.
So weird seeing you get out of that side of the car. Yeah, that's good. Super annoying thing with older cars, I don't know why, but they have screws instead of clips for the license plate bulbs. So we're gonna unscrew these things. I can feel them rattling because a lot of times that the screws just, I don't know, they don't seat right. So we'll take them out, we'll swap out the bulbs, you get the cool license plate bulbs, and then maybe we'll mess around with these taillights too. So this is totally the common style that I've seen a lot of, where it's just like a little flat panel. Makes sense, you know, just have a bunch of LEDs aiming straight down. So we'll compare the two of them right now. This is your bulb that you had in there, right? Yeah. It's actually not bad in terms of brightness. A lot of small bulbs like this have really, really terrible output. This thing says it's 0.2 watts, right?
Yeah.
And then that's the replacement.
That's so much brighter.
And so that's 2.3 watts. So it's literally 10 times the wattage that it's pulling out. And so the comparison, when you see them side by side, it's a pretty noticeable bit. All right, we're gonna take a break on the bulbs and go talk to our boy Marty. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Hey, I'm glad you waited. So we're gonna do the tailless turn module on that GTR and on that GTR, and then we'll probably do a different module on the Evo 7. So let's play musical cars really quick. We'll move some stuff around and we'll get Marty all set. So when the cars come from the factory, they've got a regular incandescent turn signal bulb and a reverse bulb. We're gonna change that to LED right now, and so you'll see on the car as he's backing it in what it looks like from the factory, and then I'll show you what the turn signals look like too. Ooh, he's got the LED reverse lights. Yeah, your paint is awesome. I want to do some headlights this color. These look great. Okay, so here's the side-by-side. We've got tailless turn module with dual reverse, and then we've got completely factory. So that is the turn signal on and the factory yellow reverse bulbs. And then this is the Diode Dynamics tailless turn module with all 4 of those bright LED reverse lights. All right, back to the Evo. Here's your oldie and your new one. So the new one, it completely fills.
Insane. Oh, I can see
The change will happen.
That's just. Oh my god.
That to crazy. All right, much better. Output is just looking good. So I'll shoot some pictures and then I gotta get back to a GTR headlight build. Boom! Yeah, that's sick, dude. I'm reversing world, everybody. Amber shines through red lenses perfectly. The wavelength spectrum, I don't know, BS. This is white. It's not gonna shine through an amber lens and then a red lens and come out as pure as it should be. But this is 100% clear right here. Yeah. Except those cool little lines. It actually looks really dope. That looks tight. Let's do a little comparison before you go. This little guy, that's not reverse polarity. So we are pulling a total of 0.7. So normally the 3-chip one is for the Evo 10s, and it kind of makes sense that it fits the Evo 7. So this is a 4-chip one that we'd use for like a 350Z, and they're super dope and bright, but they're too big, they don't fit. And this housing looks just like the Evo 10 does. So I'll put that in there instead. We'll see what the output looks like. So
it's like all around.
Boom! 1.9 watts versus 0.7 watts, but the side by side though. That's cute.
Dude, that's so
It's funny. All right. So yeah, we'll put this guy in.
ridiculous.
Yeah, right? Okay. So now we got the custom turn signal and reverse, license plate bulbs, super bright trunk light. I'm happy with it.
Oh,
What do you think?
Very happy with it. That's insane.
Go, man. All right, brother. Next. Was that cool getting to see some of the information about the cars from the actual owner? I want to put more of that stuff on the channel. If you like it, comment below. Let me know if it was cool. If you'd rather just see lights, boring how-to videos that maybe I'm the most bored watching because I made them and so I'm like living through it 5 times in a row. Anyway, big news, we got some bulbs coming in. Bulbs for everything. Bulbs for domestic and import and exotic and all that good stuff. You'll see a lot of that content coming up soon, and I will need your help to spread the word and to reward you for doing that too. So lots more contests coming. Pumped on that. Corey, your Veloster is going to be getting started here soon too. Excited. Thank you for everybody who took part in the contest. Peace out.